We have a year 2000 Volkswagen Lupo 1.4 automatic, and this has got 40,000 miles on the clock, and this is actually a category from a bump around the back. It's not been actually fixed yet, we've left it. It's been driven for 4 years like this. So you can see it's super duper clean everywhere. No damage on it. It's got the GTI-Os, which are worth quite a lot of money. Inside it's super duper clean, as it should be. It's got 40,000 miles. It's got the yellow seats, which are magic. And the back is great as well. And then it comes round to the back. All clean down that side. We've got a bump there, and it was actually just creased the paintwork, so he just left it, but over time it's just sort of like picked off, so this is going to be repainted. And down that side is good, and also in the boot he's pushed it in very, very slightly. All the floor is nice, except that little bit there, it's just pushed out, so we're going to push that back out. And it's also got a spare tyre in the kit, and it's actually a brand new tyre as well. So, really hard to work out how much this car should be, because they're rare as hen's teeth, so if that's the right expression. I think these go from anywhere from £2,500 up to kind of £4,000, and it's an auto with 40,000 miles. I think it's got to be 2,495, and that back will be painted and it'll be as good as new.